Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Forge mods for Minecraft 1.21.4 on Mac. It's an easy guide, so let's get started. Before we begin, please note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. If you don't have it already, I'll leave a link to a tutorial in the description below. First, we need to download the Minecraft 1.21.4 files so we can install Forge later. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher. In the Versions drop-down menu, select 1.21.4. Once you've done this, click on Play. When Minecraft opens, it means the files have been downloaded correctly. Now, click on Quit Game. Next, we need to download Forge. Open your web browser and go to files.minecraftforge.net. I'll leave this website linked in the description below. From here, in the left-hand side menu, locate Minecraft 1.21.4. Once you've selected it, click on the installer underneath, Download Latest. After about 5 seconds, a skip button will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on that, and then download the Forge installer to your Mac. For this example, I'm going to download it to my desktop. Now, we need to download the Forge mods that we want to use. Open your web browser and go to a modding website of your choice. For this example, I'm going to use modrienth.com. Scroll down and click on Discover Mods. Then, search for the mods you want to use. To make this easier, scroll down, and on the left-hand side menu where it says Loader, select Forge. This will filter all the mods by Forge mods. Now, find a mod. For this example, I'm going to download Zero's Minimap. Once you're inside the mod page, click on the Versions tab.